Since assuming office, Governor Otti has embarked on a bold mission to rebuild the state foundations, bringing in a new era of infrastructure, innovation, and inclusive growth, with a focus on transparency, accountability, and performance-driven governance. His administration is reshaping Abia's future, one project at a time. It has been a turning point in the state development journey since Governor Alex Otti assumed office. In this video, we shall be talking about the top projects transforming Abia State under Governor Alex Otti administration. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also do well to watch this video to the very end. 10. Geometric Power Plant. The Abia State Geometric Power Plant, officially named the Aba Integrated Power Project, is a 181 megawatts integrated power plant located in the Osisioma industrial area of Aba, Nigeria. It's unique as the first fully vertically integrated power project in Nigeria, meaning it generates and distributes its own electricity. The project includes a 27 kilometers gas pipeline, three rehabilitated distribution substations, five new substations, and 140 kilometers of 33 kV stroke 11 kV lines with fiber optic cables. The project cost $800 million and was commissioned on February 25, 2024. The plant will supply electricity to 9 of the 17 local government areas of Abia State. The Aba Geometric Power Plant is a private company owned by Batch Unaji. 9. The proposed Abia State public transport. Abia State is introducing 20 electric buses for public transportation in Aba and Umuahia starting in July 2025. This is part of a broader plan to develop a modern transport system, including the construction of new bus terminals. The electric buses are intended to serve as a pilot program for the state urban transport scheme, with private operators businesses not be disrupted. 8. 6-lane road expansion. Abia State has inaugurated its first 6-lane road, a 3.5-kilometer expansion of the Osa Road in Umuahia, stretching from the Enugu portharcourt Expressway toward Junction to Okpara Square. The project, constructed by Governor Alex Otti, marks the state's commitment to improving infrastructure and was inaugurated as part of a series of projects launched to mark its 1 year in office. The Ariaria International Market. The Ariaria International Market is an open-air market in Aba. The market is one of the largest markets in West Africa and nicknamed China of Africa because of its versatility in the making of wares and leather works. Like the rising sun, the Abia State most popular market, the Ariaria International Market, is emerging from the horizon with a new face. It is a face of modernity for the years characterized mostly by scraggy infrastructure. The traders who had initially opposed the remodeling plan when the government came up with the idea are now appreciating the efforts. The first phase of the reconstruction work started from A line, C line and medical line sections of the market up to Enyimba gate and kitchen utensils shops. The reconstruction of the market was initially initiated by the Okezie Ekpeazu-led state government administration. The current governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Otti, is putting effort to make sure the project is completed. Abia Airport Project. The Abia Airport Project, specifically sited at Isulu, is a proposed airport development in Abia State. The Abia State government and the Isulu landowners have agreed to work together on the project, including the formation of a joint technical committee to address potential issues. The federal government had initially proposed and made provision for an airstrip in 2024 budget, but consented to the Abia State government request to make it a full-fledged airport. The airport project is being handled by Cranebrook Construction Company. Abia International Textile Market, aka Aba. Abia State Government on Thursday, September 19, 2024, began the demolition of aka Shopping Center in Aba South local government area of the state to pave way for the remodeling of the market to transform it into a modern shopping center. The remodeling of Ekeoa, the oldest metropolitan market in the city of Aba and one of the biggest textile markets in Nigeria, is in line with Governor Alex Otti's desire to drive the holistic turnaround of the state economic ecosystem with the support of private investors in ways that guarantees a steady return on investment, job creation for young people and access to new opportunities for dreamers and doers. The project, which will be carried out in phases, when completed, will not only improve the aesthetics of the commercial city but also ensure the safety of traders and their customers. Renovation of the state SSG office. The secretary to the state government office in Abia State is undergoing renovation as part of a broader upgrade of the government house and governor's office. Abia State Governor Dr. Alex Otti confirmed this on May 26, 2025, while addressing the community at Sabbath church service. He explained that while the government house is important, other initiatives with a more direct impact on the people of the state were prioritized initially. Construction of Abia International Stadium. The construction of the Abia International Stadium is currently underway, marking a significant milestone in the infrastructural development agenda of the governor. The project is strategically located along the Uzuakoli Road at the boundary axis between Umuahia and Benin. The stadium project is envisioned as a world-class sports facility that will not only serve the people of Abia State but also attract national and international sporting events. According to officials, the stadium is designed to meet international standards, with features expected to include a natural grass playing surface, modern city arrangements, VIP and VVIP lounges, flood lighting, athlete facility, and ample parking space. Upon completion, it will provide a befitting home ground for the state football team and a venue for major sporting and entertainment events. Abia State Modular Refinery. The Abia State government is building a modular refinery with a capacity of 10,000 barrels per day within the Abia Industrial and Innovative Park at Owanza, Ukwa West local government area. This project, approved by the federal government, is expected to commence construction in the second quarter of 2025. The refinery is part of a broader initiative to boost the state economy and create jobs, with the government completing landowner compensation payments. Abia Medical City Project. The Abia Medical City is a public-private partnership. This ambitious project envisions a medical complex that will host multiple specialty centers, delivering comprehensive and advanced care across various fields. Designed to meet modern international standards, the facility will be equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure and cutting-edge medical technology. The Abia Medical City is the signature project that will ultimately reverse medical tourism, not just in Abia State or the Southwest, but in the whole of Nigeria and the West Africa sub-region. This flagship project, when completed, will transform the state into a major hub for advanced medical services. This project will feature facilities for medical tourism, a five-star hotel complex, and accommodation for both patients and their families. The project is estimated to cost about $1.3 billion. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you find this video quite interesting and informative. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and do it to put on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.